hase egeti gechi ndege haiga ase omucho Nairobi gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport mega yokobwa ebiegwa AOAO South Korea abaibori aborokia nigo bono banyara koba bagwikira nawo na korokia omogokobo na koria eira yogocha kugendera kobasira aborokigwa abo ase emirimo yabo yechisemi yo nigo bono yeireire koba gekonyora aborokigwa baye kirage ase chigosori cha masomo amatuko abwango iga muri kito Daniel Omwaga na mange
Insa isano na isato chiamogaso nechitaeka 30 igoro kuregeti gechi ndege gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Abarokibwa Esukuru ya Merishaw imeye county ya Kajiado nigo batonya nse kurwa sense ya South Korea mega yogokora chigosori cha AMAAMERERANIO ya masomo. Ukwana ekerekio eyemasa yemoni getaseni gen Soko TV umwarimu w'Esukuru eyo nigagokera omukia abarokia baye babegete nakobwa ebiegwa AOAO emergency ya South Korea.
Good. My name is Mr. Pili. I'm glad to be here. We are at JKA. We have just received a team of our boys from Merishaw School who are participating in World Scholars Cup. They are global run in Seoul, South Korea, 34 of them, and we are glad that out of the 34 we have at least 28 who have qualified to go for the Tournament of Champions at Yale University, Connecticut in New York.
Omwarimu opiri nigo nonyenigo abakera abayiboli mbuya mono asokwira kubasomya abana babo asebono aboliri abayiboli bali batagete abana babo konyora amayigiro aigoro mono korenta abana babo ase Esukuru eyo.
Thank our parents, and we are also asking out there if there is any parent who wants to, their son to join Merishaw School to become a global leader. That's what we are doing right now. They are welcome. We are having the holiday running. You are free to visit Merishaw School. You will get some of us and we will take you around first on a school tour. We will answer to nitty-gritty questions and we will make sure that we convert you to be part and parcel of the fraternity of the Merishaw School. In Merishaw School, every child that joins us lives as a man and not like a boy who joined us in the beginning.
Yagati ya baibuli korwe Esukuru eyo asa Marieta James Mumanyi nigoteneni agokera okomesa okuyakwa abarokibwa abwe ase AMAAMERERANIO.
We are very happy for the Merishaw team. They did very well in Korea for this World Championship of Scholars, and many of them have qualified to proceed to the TOC in the US, and it's a great pleasure of what they have done for us. And encourage, if you are in a position to bring your kids to Merishaw. It's a school where kids are being taught very well, and they are given opportunities which are very global, and they can compete globally and achieve a lot.
Omwarokibwa oyomo oyobwete na kwimukia egunya yebiegwa nigobono abaganiri abarokibwa bande kobeko mukimo bwe kanonere.
Hello, my name is Donald Mutuku. I'm coming from the World Scholars Cup Global Rank in South Korea. I managed to win 16 medals and 3 individual trophies. I study at Merishaw School and I'd like to thank them for the opportunity. Advice to other scholars or other students is to come and to challenge my record. I believe that anyone with enough determination can get to where I am right now and even further.
Abaiboli baye mutuko nonyenigo igo bakisinyiwa ko bisomo gokobo.
My name is Stephen Mutuko and the father to Donald Mutuko, the champion. And I'm very proud of my son and for putting Merishaw School and even Kenya in the global map. And we are proud to lift the Merishaw and the Kenyan flag high.
My name is Miriam Mutuku, mother to Donald Mutuku, and we are celebrating this win because it's been many hours of work and preparation for Donald, and I'm grateful that he has been able to exceed the expectations he had not just for himself, but for his school and the country.
Maega ya ABAOROKIGWA be Esukuru ya Merishaw egotoka ime county ya Kajiado gukora buya AMAAMERERANIO yakorekana ime ya Sori ense ya South Korea. Bono amaisa bonsi ni galigereti ime ya New York ense ya United States of America ase barachi kweligania asamarganiyo bo asawa ibori abarimu amana ABAOROKIGWA ABAOROKIRI buya nende babekirenga yabo chigokora buya AMAAMERERANIO. Nkaripoterekete Nigien Soko TV korogaiga asegeti gechinlege gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport umuchio Nairobi iretariana kwa Daniel Omwaga.